Hello guys, welcome to the video, and in today's video I will show you how to make a bank account under 18. Let's go and create our bank account. For this we will use Lloyds Bank because Lloyds Bank runs a special deal that you can open a bank account even if you are under 18. So yes, they have a special under 19s account here for anyone who's up to the 18 years. When you become 18, of course, they send you to the new account, but until you're 18, you will be able to use this perfectly. Of course, this is a special offer that has been given to people and of course kids under the age of 18 to 19, but starting from the age of 11. So it's like 11 to 17-year-olds. Their main thing is so that you can start earning interests, you can manage your money easily, and of course, it will help you keep track of your money easier. And if you're 16 to 17, you will be able to save your changes, you will be able to manage your money, and of course, these are great, but it's like we said, only for 11 to 17s. If you're something in between 11 to 15, you can also get a Smart Start. Like I said, you should always keep those in check. As you can see, the interest rates, they are actually great depending on when you open your account. And of course, after you turn 18, they will move you into a classic account, and their terms and conditions are here for everyone's reading. If you actually want to open an account, we will show you how you can do that as well. For those who want to actually open an account, you used to be able to just do it online, but during the general corona thing and everything that happened in between, you need to now find a branch near them to actually open your account. For that, this was the start of the page. Scroll all the way down here like this until you find this blue part right here. It says find your local branch to you to open the account. You can click branch near me part, and with that you will be able to actually enter your address and then find an account or find a place near you that will help you open your bank account. Of course, you should register if you don't have an account as well, and use this bar right here to enter your address and find a branch of them near you so you can go and open your account. And of course, it will be a great future for you if you don't have a bank account already. Other than that, that was basically it. We hope to see you guys on the other videos as well. Have a great day and goodbye.